Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change birthday on Facebook. First, go to the Facebook application. Tap on menu on your top right. Then go to your profile. Here, tap on the edit profile option. On scrolling down, you'll find edit your about info, tap to open it. After that, you'll have basic info. Tap on edit right next to it. Here you can set the privacy of your birthday. Now go back. Tap to open the settings and privacy. Then select settings. After that, you need to tap on see more in the account center. Here select personal details. Tap on birthday. Finally, tap on edit to change your birthday. You can only use one birthday across accounts in the same account center. Once you're done selecting the desired one, tap on Save. Then select Confirm. Your birthday has been updated. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.